Assalamu alaikum. I am Sahir Khan. Today we will know about carousel slider. So let's find out. First, I want to say something. I will explain this video in English. The reason is that many of my brothers and sisters are requesting me to explain in English, and I want to see how feedback comes from explaining in English. So for this, I will explain in English today. So yeah, now I will take body in the scaffold. Then I will take size box. In the size box, I will take height are 200. Then width are double dot infinity. Then child are carousel. Now in the carousel there are many properties. So first I will take images. Images are list. So here I have taken a list. So I will give it to in images. Then images dot map. Then dot to list. Now here the map has a callback function, right? So I will take in the round bracket. I will give string value name or item. Then I will return container. In the container, first I will take child image.network. Then image.network, I will give item, this item. In the image.network I will give. Then in the image.network I will take feedbox.cover. Then here it not image, it is images. So I will give as. Then I will save. Okay, here I will remove the s. Okay, this is the carousel slider. Now I will take dot spacing in the carousel. Dot spacing are 15. Then I will save. Then I will take dot size. Dot size are 6.0. Okay, now I will take dot increase color. Color are colors dot red. Then I will save and see. Then dot bg color. Colors dot transparent. Then I will save. Okay, now I will take indicator bg padding. Padding are 10.0. Then I will take dot position. Dot position are dot position dot top center. Okay, I will save and see. Okay, this is the carousel slider. I hope you understand. If you don't understand, then must let me know in the comments. And I will give the package link in the descriptions. So that's all for today. Thanks everyone. Stay well.